Hello students, welcome to my channel. I, Alamukarthi Neeraj Kumar, with yet another video. If you have not subscribed it, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the notification about my new videos. Patriotism. We all love our country. Many martyrs like Bhagat Singh, Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and so many people struggled so hard to get freedom from British. Swami Vivekananda said, "What India wants is a new electric fire to stir up a fresh vigor in the national veins. Be brave, man dies but once." Isn't these words of Swami Vivekananda so relevant nowadays? This kind of electric fire, we can find it in the soldiers who fight for our country or who defend our country if there is an enemy attack. Yes, they are the defense professionals. We, the common citizens of our country, live peacefully because of them, the warriors who protect our country. So, in this video, we are going to learn 1.3 on Wings of Courage, to learn a personality who is an inspiration for young defense aspirants. And that personality is none other than Air Chief Marshal Arjun Singh. He is the icon of India's military history and he got the 5-star ranking of Field Marshal title. And this is the photograph during the Republic Day parade with the US President Barack Obama. The retired officer of IAF who rose to the rank of Air Vice Marshal Kapil Kirk said that Arjun Singh's contribution is monumental to IAF, epitome of military leadership, and his most outstanding contribution was during the Indo-Pak War 1965. The then Defence Minister, Mr. Y.B. Chavan, he said that Arjun Singh is a jewel of a person, quite efficient and firm, unexcitable, but a very able leader. Now, let's learn about Arjun Singh, how he rose to such a position. For that, first let us learn about early life and education. He was born on 15th April 1919 in Lailapur, present-day Pakistan. Then it was under the British rule. His forefathers also served in Indian Army and he is the 4th generation to serve in the defense of the country. That means his father, grandfather, great-grandfather served Indian Army. That is, from past 4 generations, their family was dedicated to serve the nation by protecting from attack of enemies. He was educated in Montgomery, which is present in the present-day Pakistan now, and he was a well-known sportsperson and he graduated in Government College, Lahore. Then thereafter, he went to the Royal Air Force College, Cranwell. He was the topper in the Empire Pilot Training Course. Now, let's learn about his career. He joined as a pilot officer in 1939 in number 1 Squadron in NWFP, that is Northwest Frontier Province. He flew Westland Wapiti biplanes. Then, he was transferred to number 2 Squadron for a brief period. And then again, he was transferred to number 1 Squadron as a flying officer to fly Hawker Hurricane. This is the photograph of the Hawker Hurricane. Then thereafter, he got promotion as a squadron leader and became commanding officer of number 1 Squadron. Then he led the Arakan campaign against Japanese in 1944. In 1945, he was promoted to wing commander and after this he was selected to attend Royal Staff College, UK for further training. So far, he served Indian Army before independence. Now, let's see post-independence. He became the command of Frontline Air Base Air Force Station Ambala with the rank as Group Captain and even led first flypast of RIAF aircraft over the Red Fort in Delhi. That was when we got independence. That time he flew the aircraft during the flag hoisting period. In 1949, he attended the Joint Service Defence College at Latimer, Buckinghamshire in the UK. And then he was promoted as Air Commodore and took over as Air Officer commanding of an operational command known as Western Air Command. Then thereafter he was promoted to Air Vice Marshal. It is now termed as Air Officer in Charge Personnel. Again, after so many years, he was promoted to Substantive Air Commodore and served as AOP only, that is Air Officer in Charge Personnel. Then he led a squadron of Tufani jet fighters to Burma on a goodwill mission. Arjun Singh has the distinction of being the longest serving head of the operational command. He led the command for a total 6 years in 2 stints, December 1950 to December 1952, December 1955 to November 1959. He became the Deputy Chief of Air Staff and became Vice Chief of the Air Staff in 1963. Then he became the overall commander of the Joint Air Training Exercise Shiksha held between USAF, RAF and RAAF. USAF is United States Air Force, RAF Royal Air Force and RAAF Royal Australian Air Force, which was held in India. 1964, he took over the reins of IAF, which was to meet new challenges. That is, he took the control of Indian Air Force. He was the first air chief to keep his flying currency till CAS rank. CAS, Chief of the Air Staff rank. He had flown different aircrafts, 60 different aircrafts. Even transport aircraft like Super Constellation was also flown by him. In 1965, Pakistan launched its operation where Singh led IAF through war with courage, determination, professional skill and finally led to victory. Now let us see what are the awards and honors he had got throughout his career and also after retirement. He got Padma Vibhushan ribbon, General Service Medal in 1947, Samar Seva Star Ribbon Bar, Raksha Medal Ribbon Bar, Indian Sainya Seva Medal, Ribbon Bar of Indian Independence Medal, Distinguished Flying Cross UK, War Medal 1939 to 1945, the ribbon of the 1939 to 45 Star, a British World War II military campaign medal, 32 millimeters wide with equal width bands of Navy Blue, Army Red and Air Force Blue. Burma Star, India Service Medal. This is the picture where Arjun Singh being presented with a Japanese sword, that is DFC, Distinguished Flying Cross. After retirement, he became Ambassador to Switzerland, High Commissioner of India to Kenya, Member of National Commission of Minorities. He had even served as the Chairman of Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. He was the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, and on January 25, 2002, the Government of India announced that The rank of Marshal of Indian Air Force was to be conferred on Air Chief Marshal Arjun Singh DFC with effect from 26 January 2002 in recognition of the most valuable services to the Air Force and the nation. The rank is the highest in the Indian Air Force. It is equivalent to Field Marshal and is held for life. The President of India, K.R. Narayanan, conferred the 5-star rank on Marshal of the Indian Air Force Arjun Singh and handed the Marshal's baton in a ceremony at the Rashtrapati Bhavan on 23rd April 2002. In this picture, you can see Arjun Singh carrying the baton. Along with Arjun Singh, Sam Hormuzji, Franji, Jamshedji Manekshaw and General K.M. Karyappa were the other personalities who were the 5-star hold officers in defense services. Students, isn't story of Arjun Singh inspiring for us? Now, let us go into the glossary, the meaning of the hard words. Potent, having a great power. Monumental, very important. Epitome, perfect example. Profound, deep. Crucial, extremely important. Squadron, division of Air Force unit. Tenure, term of work. Quintessence, perfect example. Commending, officially praising. Biplane, old type of aircraft having 2 pairs of wings, one above the other. To cover reins, to cover control. Flying currency, up-to-date skills and experiences of flying an aircraft. Astute, sharp and intelligent. Forward base, a secured forward operating military position. Hope you understood the lesson. Thank you for watching me patiently. Please like and share the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.